Today's interview of the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua in Obina Show, where he said like Ruto's worth right now is 4 trillion. That one I cannot verify. But when he said that Ruto stole to a point he had to buy a local bank to be banking his own money. Imagine mtu anaiba mpaka anabuy a local bank to be banking his own money. Hiyo nao ni ukweli. For those who have been here, they know I hinted about that bank. And I even told you of Amulima MP wenye wanajifanya sahi wamekosana na Ruto, and he is the one who facilitated hiyo acquisition of that bank. That's why I told you I don't trust that Mulima MP hata kidogo. I'll not say the name. You go and do your research about him. He's the one who facilitated the acquisition of that bank. Then anakuja kujifanya wanapigana na Ruto. Those are the accomplices of William Samoei Ruto in taking this country down. Even the bank, I will not name it. You just do your research and know the bank, know the Mulima MP who did all those dirty jobs of acquiring that bank, so that ile pesa yote inaibwa ya Wakenya, watoto wakosage vaccines, kosage mpaka pesa za shule zote zinapelekwa huko. It is very sad that we had such a government. Very sad that Kenyans, even to come for years, you remember the 5 years you wasted. Not even wasted. Hii miaka imerudisha Kenya miaka mingi sana nyuma. Those 5 years, this country, mutajua after 2027, you will know the damage that this Kenya Kusha regime has.
So, Ruto is worth over 3 trillion Kenyan shillings. In a span of 2 years, he has become a trillionaire. We might doubt it, but someone going ahead to buy a bank so that he can deposit his own money in his bank and control it from there. Someone controlling the large government institutions, the funds being channeled through a somewhere, and you still want to doubt that Ruto is a trillionaire. Pesa ya citizen, where does it go? The controller of budget said that the money that is being paid for Chief Shah, they are not accountable. They don't go through the CPK. Is it CPK that through the consolidated account? So that means the money is being channeled somewhere. That's why Onyoro say
it's kept in a bank that the president bought when he became president. Huh? Yeah. Wait a minute. Yes. We bought a bank. He bought a bank. That's where the money goes. Like local bank. Yeah, local bank. Which bank? I don't want to say the name. Do your research.
Ruto bought a bank. Not actually a bank, but banks. Because we can do research and find out that Citian Bank is owned by Ruto. The National Bank is being owned by Ruto. And Housing Fund Bank is being owned by Ruto. And that's why he's pushing the agenda of housing levy. Housing levy. Where does the money go? The money that is supposed to be paid for Chief and Shah. Which bank supports that? The things that Rigiji is telling us, we can testify that they are 100% true, if not 99.9%. Because you look at the richest billionaires in the world, starting with Nigeria's most richest. His name is Dangote. I hope I pronounce his name correctly. He runs dozens of industries, productions, and all that. And he's worth about how many billions? US dollars, of course. But now, look at Ruto, almost being close to the richest man in Africa in terms of wealth. And what industry does he run? Chicken farm in Sugoi. Okay. No industry, nothing, just money from politics, salaries, and yet he's a trillionaire. Your guess is as good as mine. Someone said that Ruto is a thief that is thieving without fear. We are not saying that the other presidents were not thieves, but the rate in which Ruto is thieving us is alarming.
Yes, good morning wadau. Sasa jana Rigiji ametupea moshene lakini hakutumalizia. Na unajua this is the truth for man. So alitobea William Samoei Ruto alinunua bank ya kuweka pesa yake yote ya corruption pale ndani. Sasa najua mnajiuliza hii bank ni gani? And the bank is a CDN bank. How did he buy it? Aliipata namna gani? It was via the help of Ndindi Nyoro. Ndio unaona Ndindi Nyoro ni project ya William Samoei Ruto. Yani awase wamekuraiga hava pamoja. Na ndio unaona Ndindi Nyoro, at least he is observing table manners. Hawezi ongea akikula. Anakula akiwa chini ya maji.
Has done to this country.
Yani Gachagua every time anaongeanga huwa anafunua kitu. We didn't know Ruto anakuanga na bank. Actually personally sikuwa najua Ruto anakuanga na bank. So all hizi do zote anachukuanga ama hata anaiba. Kumbe kuna mahali zinachanelio. Tunashindanga tukiuliza do zinaenda wapi za Kenya. Kumbe kuna mahali zinachanelio and we have to find out which bank is that. Because kama sahi Gachagua anasema he's worth almost 3 to 4 trillion. Do you know how much is that? Because deni ya Kenya right now it's 11.02 trillion, which is 65.7%. Na hiyo 4 trillion tu akiweza tulipia deni, hata si kutulipia, alipia Kenya deni juu ni pesa za Kenya anachukua. It is 7.2 trillion. Tunabaki hivyo, which is 40.6%. Manze tusha stabilize kukuja madeni. And in education, like financial year ya 2024-2025, it is 656 billion. Just imagine akipeana hiyo 4 trillion zenye amechukua ama zenye anaweka kwa hiyo bank. It will pay for us almost 6 years. Education free. Hata bila kutegemea pesa zingine. Education free. Gachagua, funua zote. Funua zote. Manze mpaka nikasema Kenya inaisha. Huyu mtu anatumalizia tu Kenya. Gachagua, funua zote.